Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This recipe requires only 2 ingredients and which tastes very good with a combination of rice. Now let's start making onion ginger gravy. Add oil to a pan and chop ginger to it. Fry it in a medium flame until it turns into a brown color. Meanwhile, let's squeeze this tamarind which is soaked in the water. Keep the fried ginger aside and use the same pan. For the same oil, add some cumin and the mustard seeds. Now add onions. Add the tamarind water. Add some extra water and coriander and menthe powder. Add some turmeric powder and red chili powder. Add little jaggery as per your taste. Mix well until the jaggery dissolves. Add the fried ginger to it and add some salt according to your taste. Boil for 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes thick. Ginger onion gravy is ready to serve. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever I upload a new recipes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment below.